Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ann, and today I'm going to review this Ardel Stroke Brow Feathering Pen. So I received this pencil a few weeks ago and I just found it and I was looking at it like, what is that? I swatched it on the back of my hand and the line was so tiny and precise that I just really wanted to use this on my brows to create those feathering brow strokes. And then I felt like, why not use it on camera for the first time and let you guys know my opinion. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. Also, I'm going to show you a little part of my eyeshadow application, even though it's very natural. Also my highlighter. I just felt like the video was so short and I didn't finish my makeup yet. So I just wanted to include that in the video as well. But yeah, let's dive into this video. I hope you guys will enjoy. So I know I'm looking a little bit weird right now. I'm not wearing anything on my eyes and on my brows. And I'm wearing a full face of makeup, so it's looking kind of weird, but that's fine. I'm now going to zoom in on my eyebrows so we can see it a little bit better. So first I'm just going to brush through my brow hairs. And then I'm going to use some brow pencil like I would normally do. And then later I will fill like those places where I don't have a lot of hair, like here for example. And at the end of my brow, I will try that brow stroke technique. So the pencil that I'm using is the Tarte Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 3.5. And I'm going to create a line right underneath my eyebrow to give it a shape. Then I'm going to brush again, so that line gets less harsh. Then I'm going to connect the upper part of my eyebrow with the bottom part of my eyebrow to create a sort of tail. And brush through it again to make it less harsh. Now I'm going to use the Brow Pro palette. I'm taking that left shade from the medium brown color. And I'm starting to fill in my eyebrows with this powder. So when it comes to applying brow powder, I always like to go a few shades later than my actual hair color of the eyebrows. Because that way you can still see the hair show through. If I would go for a shade which is like exactly the same color as my brow hairs, you won't really see the hairs anymore. And so if you want more of a natural brow appearance, I would definitely recommend to go for a brow powder which is slightly lighter. Then for the outer end of my eyebrow, I'm going to use a darker shade and I'm going in with the right shade of that same medium brown. Okay, now it's finally time to use this pencil from Ardel called the Stroke a Brow Feathering Pen. I am so excited to see how this is going to look. So I'm going to start at the front of my eyebrow since I have like less hair over there. So now I'm going to do it on the other side as well. So the first thing I noticed is that I constantly had to do this to get like more products. So basically it dries out really quickly. And I feel like that's really disappointing. But overall I do think it looks great, but not how I expected it to look. I'm now going to apply some concealer underneath the eyes, apply some brow gel, and let's see how the end result will look. So for my concealer, I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC50. And then last but not least, I'm going to apply some brow gel, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel in the shade Chocolate. Okay, so my first thoughts on how my brows are looking is that I feel it definitely made my eyebrows look much fuller. I think it looks really natural, and I will definitely do this hair stroke method more often because I really like it. But I'm not really sure how I feel about this pencil. I had really high hopes with this one. So I'm now going to do my eyeshadow, apply some lashes, and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts on this pencil. So I just quickly off camera applied some eyeshadow base. Now I'm going to use this Mineralize Skin Finish Powder from NYX Cosmetics in the shade Medium Deep. And I'm only going to use this to warm up my crease. I also use this like all over my face to bronze up. So I feel like for days where I don't really want to spend too much on my eyes, I only use a bronzer, and most of the time a bronzer that I also used for my face. So to apply this, I'm using my Sigma E40 brush, and I'm just going to blend this all over my crease. I'm going back with my brush in the product a few times to build up the color. Now I am going to line my lash line because I'm going to wear fake eyelashes. And somehow when I use fake lashes without applying some eyeliner, I can always see the lash band or some lash glue. So I always, no matter what, create a tiny line of eyeliner. And for this I'll be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, which I feel like is a very easy to apply liquid liner. And also it's very affordable, which is nice. Now it's time for some mascara. I am going to use a lash curler first. I don't feel like it's necessary because I'm going to wear fake eyelashes, but sometimes when you wear fake eyelashes you can see your own lashes like hanging downwards and not really connecting with the lashes, if that makes sense. So I always use a lash curler first. And the mascara I'll be using is this Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I'm only applying a very thin coat on my upper lashes because I'm going to wear fake eyelashes anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Then for my waterline, I'm using this pencil from Suiva, which is the Soft Cold Carnot pencil. I kind of forgot to apply anything in my waterline, so I'm going to do it right now. This is just a simple nude pencil, but this will make my eyes appear a bit bigger and brighter. Normally I always use my puffy lashes, also from Annytude, but today I just wanted to use something different. Now for my lashes, I'm going to use my Annytude Impishly lashes, which is a very natural style. This is made of silk, so the Impishly lashes it's going to be. So now to finish off this look, I'm going in with this Goalz lip gloss from Dose of Colors. If you're curious like what this color is, it's also by Dose of Colors. It's called Supernatural. I feel like this combination is just really gorgeous. So I'm going to apply this lip gloss on top of it. I also realized I haven't applied highlighter yet. I feel like this was supposed to be a hair stroke review tutorial and I just keep adding more products. I hope you guys don't mind, I'm just kind of new to these reviews type of videos. But if you do like that I also showed like the eye part and a little bit of the face part, just let me know in the comments. So for my highlighter I'll be using the Champagne Pulp Highlighter by Becca and Jaclyn Hill. And to apply this I'm using the Morphe R36 brush. And then last but not least, I'm using this setting spray from Toofaced to set my face. So this is the finished makeup result. I'm now going to give you guys my final thoughts on the Stroke Brow Feathering Pen from Ardel. Okay, so let's start with the positive things. The first thing I really like about this pencil is that the applicator is really fine. So it's really easy to create like super thin lines, which I love the most about this pencil. And then the second thing is that the color matches my eyebrows perfectly, which is really nice as well. It has a very cool tone, ashy color. But now the negative part is that I swatched it 2 times on my hand. Like the first time I created like a few very thin strokes on my hand and it looks so amazing. That's kind of what motivated me to film this video. Then yesterday I did it again to show my boyfriend like how amazing is this. And then today I opened it and I wanted to try it again on my hand just to see, and it was dried out. So that kind of makes me think that you can only use this once and it's basically dried out, which is really bad. So yeah, I'm really disappointed because I was like having really high hopes for this product because it swatched so nice on the back of my hand. But I do really like the applicator of this product. It's just so easy to use if it would work, if you know what I mean. So if you know a product or a brand that has something like this which you think is really amazing, please let me know in the comments because I really like to include this in my brow routine. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I'm not really positive about this one. It's my first like real review, I guess, which is not a positive one. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you want me to review next. And of course, let me know any feedback on this video, what I could do better, or if you liked it, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This would be really helpful for my YouTube channel. And of course, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!